Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync contacts on Twitter. Connecting your phone's address book can help you find friends and family already on the platform. We'll walk through the simple steps to enable this feature, ensuring you understand both the benefits and any privacy considerations. It's a great way to expand your network and stay connected with people you know. First, open your Twitter app and tap on your profile icon. From there, you'll want to access your settings and privacy. Look for the Privacy and Safety option, then select Discoverability and Contacts. This is where you'll find the crucial settings to manage how your contacts are used for suggestions. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once you're in Discoverability and Contacts, you'll see a toggle for Sync Address Book Contacts. Turn this on. Your device will then prompt you to grant Twitter permission to access your contacts. After granting access, Twitter will process your contacts and suggest accounts you might know, making it easier to connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.